What's up everybody? My name is DJ Carlo Atendido, two-time Red Bull 3-Style DJ champion, and welcome back to another weekly DJ tutorial. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to DJ with your laptop with Serato DJ Lite, a completely free DJ software. So before we begin, let me just say that if you guys want to follow along with this tutorial, all the songs I'm going to use here are all available for download down below or right over here, and you can really support this channel by donating and downloading as you go. So anyway, let's download Serato DJ Lite and begin. So open your browser and search up Serato DJ Lite and click this link. Alternatively, you can also just click the Serato DJ Lite link down below. Anyway, once you click the link, locate the download button and click it. Now you'll be brought to a page where you need to fill in some information. So put your email address, then click continue. Then fill in the necessary information such as the password you want and your country, and then click continue. Once you do that, access your email address, click on the Serato email, and download the file. Verify your email address, then just click yes, and then click continue. And you should be able to download the file in seconds. So once that is done, open the file. Click continue twice and agree. And click install. Then input your computer's password to enable installation. Then click close, move to trash, and open Serato DJ Lite. Now you'll be prompted to input your email address and password again. Once you fill that out, click Start Mixing, and congratulations, you've just installed Serato DJ Lite. So now that we've gotten that part done, let's finally learn how to DJ and mix music. So before we load up some songs, let's first make a playlist or crate to better organize our music. So click this button here to make a crate. So crate 1 has been created. Now it's a pretty generic name, so let's rename it and call it First Mix. Now you can either load your songs by using iTunes or just simply dragging and dropping them from your downloads folder to the crate. For this example, let's just drag our songs from our downloads folder into our newly made playlist/crate. Then drag your songs into the Analyze tab over here. And now our songs have been analyzed and their BPMs have been identified. So what is BPM? BPM means beats per minute, and you can think of that as the speed of the song. So the higher the BPM, the faster the song is. Now all songs have different BPMs, but by using software like Serato DJ Lite, we can easily match these BPMs together so we can mix better. So let's start doing just that. So load your first song onto the first deck, which is deck number 1. Then load your second song onto the second deck, which is deck number 2. Then press sync on both decks so that the BPMs of both songs will be the same. In our case, they are the same already, but it'll be best to press sync just to be safe. Because if the BPMs aren't exactly the same, then you won't be able to properly mix between the two. So the plan is this. Both of our songs that are loaded have 32-beat intros and outros. So we're going to play song number 1 and mix in song number 2's intro at song number 1's outro here. That's basically the last part of the song where only beats just play. Now keep in mind, this differs for every song. So the trick here is to play song number 2's intro at the exact moment we reach song number 1's outro. So let's give that a listen. So this is the section we should start mixing in. And we're gonna mix this part with song number 2's intro, which is basically the first section of an extended EDM song. Keep in mind that this differs for every song as well. So the general idea is to mix our second song at the end of the first song. So here's how we do it. Starting with our crossfader at the left section, we play the first song. And when we reach the first song's outro, we then play the second song's intro. So ideally, both songs will be playing at the same time. Now when this is happening, we then drag the crossfader from the left section all the way to the right section to essentially mix. Now our timing of when we play the second song will 100% not be on time. So in order to get these beats aligned, we have to use the plus and minus buttons here. They work as to speed up or slow down a song so that the beats can align. To make sure that the beats are aligned, they have to look like this when you play them together. See how the kick drum of the first song aligns to the kick drum of the second song? That's what we want. So once you play the second song and align it properly with the first and are 100% sure they're aligned, then and only then do we drag the crossfader from the left section to the right section to mix our songs together, to essentially transition from one song to the other. Anyway, here's a quick demonstration. A new expansion pack for Serato Lite, which will help laptop DJing, will be released very soon. It's called Serato Play, and it basically gives you more options and features to mix music with your laptop. And here are my top 3. Number 1, keyboard shortcuts. So instead of using a mouse or a trackpad to play a song, sync and crossfade, you can just use your keyboard shortcuts instead to do it. Number 2, the ability to control the song's EQ and filter. So if you really want to blend your song more technically, you now have the option to do so. And number 3, the ability to use a splitter cable. So you can use the splitter cable and listen to your track before you mix it over here and play the overall mix over here. So in case you're not sure if you visually match the beats together, you can do it old school style and use your ears to listen and blend perfectly instead. And that's it. DJing with your laptop is not an impossible task, but it does require a lot of preparation. You really have to know the length of your song's intros and outros to get it just right. But once you do know it, mixing will be a cinch. Now, did you guys enjoy this video? If you did, please do let me know in the comment section down below. And also let me know by liking this video, subscribing, turning bell notifications on. And with that said, this is DJ Carlo Tendido, and I will see you all in the next one. I definitely suggest you guys to first use whatever you have with you right now. So if that's your cell phone, if that's your laptop, then use that. But if you really want to get started in DJing, what's the best thing that you can buy? Definitely whatever you can afford. Use whatever that is to get you where you want to go. Remember, at the end of the day, it's not the equipment you use, it's how you use it. Be it a phone, a computer, or like a crappy controller.